Now let's create login page. For that you need to go to web content and choose new and create HTML file. Give the name as login.html. Login.html. Click finish and close this browser and this register HTML and Java. And I'm going to stop my server. Now I'm going to paste my HTML code. This is the HTML code for login page. Here I am using the same code with slight changes. I'm using the same form tag. In that form tag, two fields are available. One is email, another one is password, and one button for login. This is the name of the email, this is the name of the password. Now let's create a servlet for this login.html file. For that you need to go to this package. In that package create a servlet. Servlet name is login.servlet, and this is the URL mapping login, and I don't want constructor and do get method also, and click finish. Now create a response type, response.set content type HTML. Now get the fields from HTML page. For that we need to write string email equal to request.get parameter email. Next one is password, string password equal to request.get parameter password. Now we have to write writer, print writer equal to response.get writer. We need to import this, which is available in java.io package. Now create a connection and establish servlet and database. For that we need to use try catch blocks, try and catch. In try we need to write the database registration and driver manager code. Okay, connection con equal to null. We need to import this driver manager. Now write a SQL query to fetch the records from database. For that we need to use string SQL equal to select email from users where email equal to question mark and password equal to question mark. This query fetches a record where email ID and password is corresponding to that record only. Email spelling is email. Okay, now execute this. For execution we need to use prepared statement. Prepared statement psmt equal to connection dot prepared statement. Prepared statement takes string as a input, which is SQL query. Now we need to import this prepared statement, which is available in java.sql package. Now send values to this query. For that we need to use psmt.set string one of email and psmt.set string 2, password. We need to follow this order only where the string query is available. Now execute the statement. For execution we need to use psmt.execute update, which returns integer type I equal to. Here this query fetches only one record when email ID and password provided to this query. Now write a condition if I equal to 1, then writer.println login success. That means only one record will be given by this query. Next, if it is not, that means login failure. If this query fetches only one record, that means login success, otherwise login is failure. If more than one record or less than one record fetches, means login failure. Now close all connections, psmt.close and writer dot close and connection dot close. Now write catch blocks. First we need to write the class not found exception block. Next one is SQL exception. Next one is SQL exception, which is available in Java SQL package. Okay, now everything is fine and no errors. Okay, everything is fine, and go to login.html and give the URL of this servlet, JDBC servlet login. Save and run as run on server. Server has been started. Let's give login details. Samir185@gmail.com and password is Samir. Click login. Login field. Let's check the details in database. Select start from users. The user name and email and passwords are Samir185@gmail.com and the password is Samir. Let's check. Here S is capital, that's why it's showing error, and password is Samir. Click on login. Login successful. Let's try with fake details and click login. Login failed. In this way you can implement the user login page with Servlet and HTML frontend. Now let's implement the update page. For that, close this one and login. Go to web content and click on new and select HTML file. Here the HTML file name is update.html. Update.html. Now I'm going to pasting the code. This is also same code with slight changes. The change is the action URL mapping only. Remaining things are same for the registration page and update page. For this update page we need to create a servlet. For that we need to go to package and create a servlet. Servlet name is update servlet. Update and click next. Click next, and I don't want construction, do get method also, and click finish. Okay,